Hello and welcome back to
the Zak
and Buzz
Review.
So we're back in a bizarre
kind of deja vu moment.
Yes, that's it.
We are reviewing
a
another
head torch.
head torch.
Funny enough, by BORUiT.
Whatever.
That
Anyway,
one.
and it's funny enough, it looks like the same box.
Yes,
But
there is a
bought this
major difference.
Yeah, I actually bought this one as a gift to your mother. And yes, and so this one has been put through its paces. And
This has been used for about a year now.
If you saw the other head torch review, it's basically the same model.
Yes.
Looks slightly different. So do you want to pass it over to me?
Passing it over to you.
There we go. So here we are. The BORUiT head torch, but this one, different from the other one, is green. It's the colour that you...
It's what I wanted.
So you really wanted. And they are charging a silly price for at the moment.
At the moment, it's like £45.
Yes. So anyway, so here we are. I think this one's got sort of a bit of kind of silvering on it.
Well, I'm going to bring in the red one.
You're going to bring the other one.
So
there you go.
Side profile wise,
they are identical.
The green one has like a silver rim, whereas mine just has a black.
It's a bit of chrome going on there.
Yeah, chrome.
It also has the maker's name, where this one hasn't.
Yeah, and if you look at the straps, it says BORUiT, whereas this one just said LED head torch, headlight.
Headlight. Well, they're probably all made in China somewhere.
Yeah.
Anyway, so
design-wise, they're all the same.
All the same. Charged it up. Now I know for a fact this one was charged up around December time, and literally has only been recharged recently.
Wow.
In the previous video, I said I wasn't sure about the duration of the rechargeable head torches, but these ones seem to last a hell of a long time,
which is cool. Yeah,
and I'm getting. Can we both put them on?
Yeah,
we're out. It's some kind of sci-fi.
It's a product comparison now.
Sci-fi kind of thing going on here. Ooh, look at this.
Look at you.
Look at me. Anyway, so now this one, I go right. There you go.
Yep.
Oh, and it goes to the green.
That's very interesting. That's different.
Can you tell me on the lights, because it's got side lights, yeah?
Yep.
I'm pushing it once.
That's your main central one. That's central one but dimmed. Two side green lights.
Two side green lights?
Yeah.
Ah, so it's not out the middle.
So that's, if you compare it to the red light on this.
Ooh.
There you go. Where's the red light coming from on this?
Centre.
Centre.
Okay. Ah, that's different, isn't it?
Yeah.
And this one also doesn't have the zoom control.
Haha, I've got a zoom control. Get me.
Yeah, this one, no zoom control.
I can point precisely at things in the distance with my red light.
So there you go. So that's kind of a different thing.
It's weird because they're essentially they are the same light, but they just work differently.
Now, I'm not going to turn the lights off on this one. I can tell you that the beam on this is really bright, lights everything up really good. So if you've already seen the previous one, that gives you far more than adequate show of exactly how bright these are. But I'm interested on this, the fact that one light, a dimmer light, and two side green ones. So this is a different setup to that one.
Yeah.
And I say you've got a dial up, and I haven't got a dial up. But I've got the green light. Well, it's not mine.
You do have the. Yeah,
it's not mine. So I had to borrow it. I had to arm wrestle your mother to get it off her.
Okay. Price wise,
yeah.
What are we looking at for the green one?
I've got to say, when I purchased this in December, that would be December 2023, it cost me $9.99.
$9.99. What was the price at the time?
The price, no, that was the price, $9.99.
Wow. Okay.
But I did look, as time of recording, $29.99.
Right. Okay.
So I know that they said that particular one has gone up like 40 odd quid.
So I was looking for the green light. This is the one that I bought most recently, and the green version, so this one, I looked to buy, and it was £45. Whereas this one, the red version, was £12.
Yeah.
So I wanted to save
It's
some
a
money.
no-brainer, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't think I would want to even pay... I mean, consider I paid 10 quid for this, and you paid £12
that was a lucky kind of deal at the time.
Yeah, but at the same... I don't want to pay £30 for it.
Exactly.
You know?
Exactly.
And actually, that one, I like the headlights on it, because you've got, like, more adjustability. This one is more basic.
It's more blanket.
Yeah, this one's more basic, isn't it?
If only you could put the green from that one in this one.
Well, there you go.
That's what we need.
We can, but it's going to cost you nearly 50 quid. There you go. Anyway, so actually, again, with these head torches, I think that they seem to be functional. This one, as I say, we've been using this for months. It's had no operational glitches.
Yep.
Seems to be solid enough. There you go.
Yeah.
Quite happy. So
it's great that you can plug it in and recharge it as well.
So if you're looking for something where The charge, it's been proven to me the charge lasts. Okay, so you're not going to suddenly have it dissipating on you after you've used it just for one night.
Yeah.
And the price can't be argued with, really.
Exactly.
12 quid for that one.
12 quid for this one.
Currently 30 quid. I'd rather want to see if the prices come down
Yeah.
or go for the red instead.
So it's basically up to you which one you get. If
Red
you'd
or
like,
green?
if we've persuaded you to get one of these, red or green, green or red, it's up to you. So personal preference on that point. But yeah,
Preference for me,
they're both good.
I prefer the green. It's only because in dark, I don't know if anybody else gets out there. If they do, put it in the comments. But when I'm filling in forms on a survey in the dead of night, I find the red light freaks my eyes out a bit. They sort of like, ooh, can't focus. Green light, perfect.
But
So it
what
could-
about the adjustability?
I know, and you've got more oomph, you got more punch for your pound on the fact that you've got more actual bright head torches.
Just
on there.
testing the weight. Okay, they feel
They're
pretty
identical. It's just
yeah.
they've been obviously put together different in the actual light itself.
Yeah.
Right, so there you go. Head torches, worth a punt. If you're after a head torch, we can obviously verify that these work okay. So
And they last a really long time.
if you're
so-
unsure, at least you've had a bit of a review here. So there you go.
If you enjoyed this review, please like and subscribe to this channel and comment below any suggestions of further reviews you'd like to see.
Boom.